There are two bija mantras that are connected to Ganesh. One is Glaum. Glaum. It's like an invocation. It's that sound vibration that creates the vision of cracking the earth, cracking the rock, and opening the earth, bringing the lava out of the underground, that objects of the unconscious is getting up and we can see them. So this is the sound, glaum, glaum, glaum. He is not always depicted as a blue, but you and some others like Krishna or Shiva, sometimes they are in a blue color, and blue means that he is fully realized being. It's like a blue aura, that it's not a blue skin, but that's the color of the aura, that wavelengths that is connected to Vishuddhi chakra, your ability to express yourself, that you know what are your gifts, what is your purpose in life, and you can express it and you can bring it into your life. This is the meaning of the color blue. Some of them, they have this blue skin, and so it shouldn't be skin, it's the aura, the vibration that this being or symbol is emanating. I was asking why blue. Blue is the expression that you found your path, you found your gifts, your treasures that you share with the world, and you know how to share them. So this is the expression from this part. It's like a fully realized being, understanding who you are. So that's why they are sometimes painted in the blue. And gum is a slightly softer sound. It's like the water going over the rocks and over the soil, creating the patterns. Like the water can destruct even the hardest rocks over the time, and it creates its pathways through the soil like a river. So this is a different vibration, different sound, closer to this softer element. Gum, 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 gum. And there is one a little bit longer mantra. It's the one for Ganesha, Mahaganapati mantra, that I will initiate you into. It's basically a wish to your higher self or to a God, to consciousness, that you want to get all your fears, struggles, anxieties under your control. It's like if you say a prayer in Christianity, please God help me, but you are not saying to a God, you are saying it to yourself, to strengthen your inner capacities, to overcome your fears, anxieties, to step outside of the borders of the known, to get into the underground, into unconsciousness, and open up this border. And you are expressing that you are ready to open your unconsciousness, to expand your consciousness, and to get a little bit further. And Ganesha is the protector of that threshold, and he will open it for you in a safe way, that you will get only into layers that you are able to integrate, that you will not go directly to your worst fears and anxieties and maybe traumas that you had somewhere hidden, but you will get a slightly layer after the layer. It will slowly start opening for you. And it sounds Om, Shrim, Hrim, Klim, Glaum, Gam. You have these two that were there before as a separate one, so you can use only these bija mantras, or you can use the whole mantra. On these Om, Shrim, Hrim, Klim, Glaum, Gam, we did that Muladhara contraction of the pelvic floor, like you are slightly contracting the pelvic floor. So you will do it with these first bija mantras, Om, Shrim, Hrim, Klim, Glaum, Gam, and then you feel like opening, letting go. Ganapataye Varavarada Sarvajanam Me Vashamanaye Svaha. At the beginning, it may be difficult to pronounce it and remember it, but then you will repeat it a few times. You can print it, and you can write it on a piece of paper and repeat it from that. You don't need to remember it immediately. So Om Shrim Hrim Klim Glaum Gam Ganapataye Varavarada Sarvajanam Meva Shamanaye Svaha. So we will try to repeat it a few times in the practice. So this will be the practice. We will do this energization at the beginning, just a few rounds. Then the Ganesh Mudra. Gaze at the tip of the nose under your, you don't need to open the eyes, you just try to focus your gaze of the eyes on the tip of the nose. We did it last time. Then we will chant Lam, Lam, Lam. Focus in the pelvic floor, keep your awareness in Muladhara. Then few times Glaum. That's something between O and A. Now I mistakenly put there O, but it should be Glaum, Glaum. It's something in between Glaum and Gam, few times Gam, and then we will like 3 times repeat Mahaganapati mantra.